Maayong Pasko! Merry Christmas! Joyeux Noel! Today I'm very excited because my friends and I have decided to play Secret Santa this year. Even though we're miles apart, most of them are in the Philippines, a couple in Abu Dhabi, one in Qatar, in Vietnam, and myself here in France. We've drawn our names earlier this month online, and I'm particularly excited because I received my gift a few days after we've drawn our names. So this has been with me for quite a while now, and we didn't require any specific budget. So we all look forward for today's virtual Christmas party, and I'm only gonna share to you our unboxing moment. So if you're curious what's in this envelope and ready for some surprising reactions, then please do keep on watching.
Wow, I feel so iPhone 11, iPhone 12. Oh, Boga perfume. Yes, Elizabeth Arden.
iPhone. Thank you.
Gold out. Yes. You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Maulog. You're welcome. Oy, ay Boga. May pamas. May pamas si Mayor. Boga. Hello. Ayun na. Pamabay, di ba?
I know.
Shirt from Igata. Thank you.
Bagay, ginali mo kayo.
Thank you so much sa maskin wala ka din sa spirit na lang. Jago, ay! Wow! Bangga ka! Yes!
Sige ko gingon niya nga.
Thanks to book.
Ako babe.
Nice! My favorite color. Yes. Bed sheet. Kabaw na ako nga bed sheet.
Oh my God!
Ilay, no?
Gano'n man.
Mag-roommate ko nung sa una, di ko nakagili sa wish.
Virtual na pag-open sa kuha Christmas gift. Pinsan man eh. Uy, crop top!
Uy, crop top!
First pang TikTokers tayo. Uy, gift certificate from...
Oh my God! From Insan.
Yes,
Nice.
that's me. Enjoy your thoughts and honey head. Pag-journaling!
Wow!
Wow! Sticker!
Wow!
More stickers!
Uy, kaboga mo na.
More stickers! And, look. Aww!
Ano?
Oy!
Ganado
yes,
ba kag-yellow? Very
Planner.
nice.
Very nice.
Ibalik sa...
Cash on delivery? Live?
Cash on delivery.
Uy, abis yun akong wala ko'y madawag ganito. Eh, nag-text pa ako nila ito nga, please prepare to choose.
Sana ko.
Salamat
Malay!
Punta day.
magamit Anya Esma sa Merry Christmas!
Gold pala na. Mahal na kayo, day.
Wow!
Wow!
Madam, mo pangalan, Ana. Madam. Yes, ito na din gabito.
Gabita na dayo. Ay, ka!
Thank you,
Wow! Asa Steamer? Ay, ora Steamer. Wow! Congratulations! Congratulations for winning.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas, Kat.
Thank you.
Please
Like
And
subscribe to my channel, Amazing Katrina Jane.
Thank you!
Merry Christmas!
Bye!